Hello everyone, welcome to my first What I Eat in a Day video. I love eating and I'm always looking for ways to satisfy my cravings while trying to eat healthy and maintaining my weight at the same time. I have a lot of great and creative recipes to share and I'm so excited to bring you along with me. For breakfast today, I'm making some chocolate-flavored banana oatmeal pancakes with some chocolate protein powder and 0 added sugar. I topped it off with some more bananas and some blueberries, and I also drizzled some chocolate syrup on top, and it tasted so good. I was craving something sweet and chocolatey, and this was just perfect. For lunch, I made a mango and shrimp salad bowl. I threw together some tomatoes, avocado, chopped onions, mango chunks, shrimp, and some cilantro. I also added some garlic salt, paprika, black pepper, some olive oil, and I also squeezed in some lemon juice. This is currently my favorite salad because all the flavors just combine so well, and I think the sweetness of the mango is what really makes the salad so delicious. For dinner, I fried some tofu and boiled some frozen broccoli, and then drizzled this Chinese-style garlic and cumin sauce on it. This meal was so yummy and filling, and it only took me about 15 minutes to make. Thank you so much for watching my video and staying till the end. Stay tuned for more What I Eat videos as well as more awesome recipes.